Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I created this look and I did not use any foundation or concealer for it. So if you want to know how I got this look, then do watch till end, and also do subscribe if you haven't yet to watch my previous videos and to see how I got the final result. Keep watching. To start off, I'm using the Nivea cream for moisturizing my skin. Now moisturizing your skin is really important before you do your makeup, so that you make sure you moisturize every time before putting on your makeup. Now for sunscreen, I'm taking the Lakme Sun Expert sunscreen and it has SPF 24++ in it. Now sunscreen is equally important after moisturizing as it protects your skin from getting tan. So make sure you put it every time before makeup. Now moving further, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius BB cream and I'm in the shade Spice Cinnamon. Talking about the BB cream, it is really lightweight on the skin and feels like skin-like, and it is perfect for everyday use, so highly recommended. Now to set my base, I'm using the Maybelline Fitme loose powder and I'm gonna bake under my eye area and then set the rest of the face using the powder. Now with a flat brush, I'm quickly gonna dust the excess product. Now for eyes, I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm using just the Maybelline Blush Nude palette and I'm using the shimmer shade on my entire eyelid. Now for blush on, I'm using as usual the Nykaa Duo Blush On palette and I'm using the coral shade as a blush. I'm using a little bit of it on my eyelids as well to give them some pop of color as they were looking really pale. Now for mascara, it's as always none other than Maybelline Hyper Volume Express Mascara, and I'll be using it for my lashes as well as for setting my brows on place. Now for lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa Masaba lipstick and I'm in the shade Kaleing-me-softly. So yeah, this is the final result. I hope you all enjoyed it. It is really a easy look which you can put on for any of your college as well as office, or even on everyday wear. You can use this look for any formal or informal events as well. And that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then comment down below and do subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the thumbs up button, and see you in my next video. Until then, bye guys, take care.